Hi, today I'm reviewing Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now just double press the power key or just use the camera app if you want to change this application, for example, to another one or to another option. So you should first open the settings, then scroll down to advanced features. After that, click the side key, and here you should switch launch camera to open app. Now just select one from these available applications or options. For example, let's use Google application by double press the power key. And now let's just check it. So as we can see, the Google application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.